After we
Perfect.
have already gone over the homework and are now working on the quiz.
Right.
Finally recording it. Okay.
Okay, and then it's going to tell you the mean right at the top of the descriptives, where it's
Okay.
the $46,172.05.
Well, that's not what
Correct?
I have. No.
What do you have? Did you do
Mine,
the wrong site one?
yeah.
I think I'm confused on how to do
Oh, you
all
know,
of that. So I'm
I have
gonna
the
go do
wrong
it the way I did it last night.
I have the wrong patient one. So let me. That's right.
Oh,
So
I'm
now I
like,
need to.
dollars. I don't see dollars.
Let's see. So how do I go and open that file?
You can go back to the numbers, list of numbers again, and then just do it again. Brienne, do you have yours open?
I'm trying to get it. Sorry, my computer's being really slow.
Uh, hmm.
Okay. All right, I have to go to the actual link for all that stuff again, so it's going to take me a minute to get there.
Okay.
And I've got to open up iLearn again because I can't close out of that quiz, otherwise I'll be.
Oh,
So are you? So you guys are using the SPSS, right?
yeah.
Right.
So the way I did it last night when I was doing everything is I just went back and to the reading where it says the quantitative descriptive statistics, and that's where I put all the information in. It's another Excel sheet, and that's what worked for me, but maybe I'm just confused and doing it wrong.
Okay,
But
so
I
I
got the
did all.
same answers that I should have been.
Yeah,
So,
I just did it all through the SPSS because if you read all that stuff, it shows you step by step how to do it, and you do it quite a few times
uh-huh.
while you're doing it. Sorry, I'm just trying to find the link for that.
It's in the reading,
Right, that's where I'm going. So I'm just looking through
just
it.
in the blue. So
Is it
which one are we doing, the wrong side or the wrong patient?
the wrong site because I had the wrong patient open?
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to copy all of the information into that other thing. Give me 2 seconds. Helps if you enable editing, right? And then the information can go in. All right, here we go. Okay. I am set to go there. And I have started my quiz. Okay.
Okay, finally.
You there?
hmm
Okay. So for the wrong site for mean, I have 80,041. Is that right?
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Yep,
Okay.
I have that as well.
80,041 to the nearest dollar, right?
Right.
And then standard deviation, I have 71,404. Is that right?
Can you say that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, will you read that one more time?
$71,404.
And what was the first one? I was reading the other thing, and so I didn't type it in. Sorry.
Yeah, $80,041.
Okay.
Okay, now to the next one. Okay, so do we have to do this one by hand? I guess we could put it in SPSS if we wanted to. So the median would
Okay.
be 4, right?
And how do you get the median again then? I'm confused. Because I thought the median was like taking the 4 numbers and putting them in an order and then...
Dividing them by 4.
No, that would be the...
Me.
So the median is the middle number, so if you list them in order...
That's what, yeah, okay, that's what I was thinking. But because, oh, okay, I get it. I get what you mean.
You take the middle number. So in this case, there's 4 numbers, so there's 2 middle numbers. So then you get the average.
Right. Okay, awesome. So you divide it by 4. So you take the 2 middle ones and then you divide it by 4 because there's 4 of them, right?
No, you just get the average of the 2 middle numbers. So you divide by 2.
Oh, and so then that is 4. Okay, thank you. That's what I, okay. Then getting the standard deviation.
So I typed that in, and the standard deviation is 8.16497.
Do you think we need the whole thing?
I don't.
No, give the answer to the nearest tenth.
So just leave it at 8 then?
No.
Well, it needs to be the next one over. 8.2.
8.2. Okay.
Okay. What is the first number in the 5-number summary?
So the 5-number summary.
Is that, so would it be the minimum, or right?
Okay, so composed of the minimum, first quartile, second quartile, which is the median, and the third quartile and maximum.
So it's talking about, so that would be, is it still using those same 4 numbers from up above, right?
Yeah, so the 5-number summary.
So it would be 1?
The 5-number summary is minimum, and then Q3, right? And then you have.
So
write that down.
Here, so so the minimum and the maximum, 1 and 19. And then what else do we, there's some trick to that. I remember reading about it. So the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. So the minimum's 1.
Yeah.
The first quartile.
Wait, no, this isn't using the same numbers. Okay, hold on. Questions 5 and 6. Question 7 is different. It's not using survival months. Where is the wrong patient
lawsuit cost?
So is that in the file that we opened in SPSS?
Right.
Yeah. So now we do wrong patient and analyze. Right?
Right.
Let's do it. Okay. Where did it go?
Hey, it didn't come up.
Does your box plot look really weird?
Yes. With a bunch
Good.
of different outlying numbers and smushed together, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so in descriptives it says minimum is 0.
Right.
So that's the answer is 0?
Well, what's that question asking us? Write the first number in the 5. Yep.
Okay, 0. What is the second number? So that would be Q1.
And that should just be right up in that box, or in the percentiles, right? That should tell us. Where it says 176.
Well, isn't Q1 the 25th percentile? Okay, hold on.
So where's that? We had some question about that too somewhere. In our homework? Yeah, okay. But it was just looking at a box plot.
Okay, well at the top it says case processing summary. It's got 30%, 70%, and 100%.
Hey guys, I couldn't hear you for like the last 4 minutes.
Okay. Well,
Sorry.
we're on, what question are you on?
7 was where I was at. It cut out right after we started talking about that one. So
Okay, so we went back to the file that we opened in SPSS with the lawsuit stuff.
Uh-huh.
And we did the explore thing for wrong patient instead of wrong site.
Oh, okay.
And then in the 5-number summary, it goes, you know how you've got your minimum and your Q1 and 3 and all that good stuff?
Yeah.
Well, the first number is your minimum, which when we did the analysis on it, it said it was 0.
Okay.
So we just put 0 in there.
Awesome.
And now we're on question 8, trying to figure out what Q1 is.
Okay. So that's the 20, is that the 25th percent then?
Yeah, but we don't know how to figure out what it is.
Do we have to go in here and do, you know how you can do the missing percent? Did you guys, let me think how I did that.
What? I'm gonna go put it in. Just put all the information in so I can be caught up here. Just give me a second.
Okay, so you can go to descriptive statistics, descriptives. Are we on wrong side or wrong patient?
Wrong patient.
We're on wrong patient.
Okay.
Okay, so my Q1 here, it says that it's 3,900. 3900.
How did you get that?
Because I'm using that one Excel sheet that you put all the information in, and it gives you like the mean, the standard deviation, variance, the minimum, Q1, median, Q3,
So is there
maximum.
a link for that Excel sheet, or?
Yeah, it's in the reading.
Yeah, it's in the reading.
Okay.
So what was the answer then? I'm sorry.
39.
Why? Why are you doing this?
Brianne, you cut out on me again. So, where is the link for that Excel? Because
it's in the reading when we did in the wiki reading.
Oh, okay.
I just thought you could get it on SPSS. I didn't know you had to do the Excel sheet too.
See, and I don't know the SPSS. I just know this other one, and that's what's worked. So.
Okay, can you give me that number again, Brianne?
Yeah, 3900.
3900.
Okay, I'm gonna open up the other thing and see if what was that called?
It's called the quantitative descriptive statistics.
It was kind of at the top, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. So like you'll start going through all the graphs, it'll start showing the graphs, and it'll be right at the top on the first one, I believe.
It's so frustrating that it's kind of all spread out. You need different
I know
things.
you have to
Uh,
connect it all together. And it was just in from the individual preparation, right? So if you just click on like the step 2 describing quantitative data shape, center, and spread, when you go to the, and then you scroll down, it's where it starts. Do you see like the blue tables? Like it says Excel instructions.
no. Okay, hold on. I see SPSS. I see more SPSS instructions.
So it's up above that. It's up above SPSS instructions. It should say Excel instructions.
I don't even know where you guys are at, I guess, is my problem. Is it in the reading, the lesson 3 reading that you're looking at, or I'm somewhere
So
else?
like go to lesson. So yeah. So go to lesson 3
Okay.
on in iLearn, and then it says like individual preparation, right? Click on
Right.
individual preparation,
Okay.
and then it says step 2, the describing quantitative.
Right. Click on that.
Yeah, click on that.
Okay. I've got it open.
So go down, and it's gonna
Mhm.
show you like the step 1 through 5, you know, Daniel's thing that we did before. So just go a
Right.
little bit farther.
Okay. I see instructions for SPSS.
See like
Oh, you keep breaking up. Okay. Let's see if this will. Nope.
Did you find it?
No. So I see instructions for SPSS, but I'm not seeing anything for Excel.
Oh, that's really weird because it's like right above it.
Yeah, it's not.
Let me just. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why mine would have it.
Yeah, all I have is SPS instructions.
That's really strange. I think that's really weird. So do you see like it says like India TB cost and it has the graph for that?
Yep.
Does it have that? So right below it is the SPSS. It doesn't have anything of Excel.
Mm-mm.
That is so weird.
So weird.
I don't get that.
Maybe I'll email her and ask.
Yeah.
Because I know I saw it. I saw it at one point, and now I don't see it, and I don't know why that is.
But yeah, there's no, like, that's why I didn't understand why you're working in Excel, because there's nothing in Excel on this whole thing that I'm reading. It was all SPSS.
That's so strange. Now I get why you guys are like, what are you talking about?
Yeah.
Like, I just keep scrolling thinking it's just going to magically appear, and it's not.
And it's not there.
That's so strange.
Well, should we keep going with what I have
Yep,
then
it's a
and
good
kind of
thing
figure that out then?
Good thing we have you, because we wouldn't have gotten that one.
Okay,
Well,
so
it's
what's
just
the fourth
confusing.
number? That would be Q3. Do you have Q3 on there?
Yeah, and that's the median, right?
No, it skipped the third number and went to the fourth number.
But for the, because we're looking at what the
it would be the 7, is it the 75th?
number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. So, because it goes minimum, first, quartile, medium. What number are we looking for? We're looking for the fourth. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be the median number.
No, it shouldn't.
No, because in here it says that the minimum, so the minimum would be first, and then the Q1, and then the median, so the median would be the third one. Q3 is next, and then the maximum is the last. So maximum is the fifth one.
Okay, so what's Q?
So that is 50145. And it has 0.5. Do we need to put 0.5, or are we rounding on this one? Okay, so.
Yeah, it says to the nearest cent.
So it should be, so we should be okay.
But you said 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be 0.50 because it's to the nearest cent, not the nearest dollar.
So it would be which one instead?
It would be 50,145 and 50 cents.
And 50, so put a 0 on the end of it?
Right.
Yeah.
And was that 3,900 exactly 3,900 then? For the first quartile?
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm confused. Are we putting a 0 on the end, yes or no? I guess that's 2 questions.
Yes.
So, okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Sweet.
What is the third
Okay.
quartile of red box decision time?
No.
So let's see.
These
In the
things
homework,
confuse me.
it should just be what is the 4?
It'd be 75%, which is the top of the green box. Right?
So we just kind of have to guesstimate. So we could say like 190 seconds.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, because they had this in the homework too.
And you just gave like a random, like a close to type thing.
Right, and in the, when you compare it to the key, it gave them this random. It was like 190 to 200, and you're like, wait, you'll understand once you do the homework.
Okay, so 190?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder why they don't give you just like a B, or C, so you really know.
I know. That's a confusing thing. And here it just says give a number, so I wonder how to grade that as we put it in.
So the longest observed time of Redbox customers would be like 710.
Okay.
Because there's that outlier all the way at the end.
Okay.
Right. So like 710?
That's what I'm going to put, yeah.
Okay. Based on the box plot, what's the value of the mean?
Would it be 105? No, that would be
so I wonder, because on the homework too, I'm looking at the homework, and it's saying it had one, the hours spent studying for an exam. And it says, what is the meaning of the data illustrated of the box plot? And it says, there is not enough information for that question. We need the original data to make that determination. So it should be, that can't be determined.
Okay. Because when I was looking at mean is higher than the median. Okay. So just put this cannot be determined?
That's what it was on the homework. So that's what I always just find a example and just kind of copy it. So I think because when you're looking at a graph, you don't have the specific numbers to calculate all that and know the exact answer.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I'm not. I can't guarantee it.
Yeah. Well, so
I think
because when you look at a box plot, like this would be right skewed. So I was wondering if it was, you know how I said the median is higher than the mean
Right.
on a right skewed, or maybe I said that backwards.
But all you're seeing in there is the quartiles. You're not really seeing all the numbers.
I know, that's why I was
So
wondering
you would.
if one of these numbers was higher than the mean, then that would be the answer. But there's two, so.
So it makes.
So yeah, I'm just going to put this cannot be determined.
Okay.
Yep,
We'll
that's
see.
what I agree. So should we run through our answers really fast just to make sure we're all on the same page? Have them and we're good to go.
Sure. Start with 3.
Okay.
So 80,041.
Uh-huh.
4 is 71,404. 5, I got 4 months.
Right.
Okay.
8.2 months. 7 is 0. 8 is 3,900. 9 is 50,145 and 50 cents. 10 is 190. 11 is 710. And 12 is cannot be determined.
Alrighty.
Yeah, try it.
Moment of truth. Here we go.
Cool.
Awesome.
100%.
Good work, team.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I guess
I
we'll talk.
will.
Hey, I was just going to ask you ladies a quick question really fast before we go. I just know of one day in March where I have training for work all day long on a Tuesday. And so if there ever is a day like that, is there another option that we could use of doing a group meeting?
Yeah, for the
Like
most
a
part.
later time at night or like...
Yeah.
Go ahead, sorry.
I'm pretty flexible. Like, in fact, I'm going to be gone for vacation for like a week in February, so I think I'm just going to have to take the hit and not be here for the meetings, but I'll just watch them or something.
Well, why don't you
Okay.
guys like post what you're like for the days that you know you're gonna be gone? Why don't you post times that you can do? And then if someone else can meet with you.
Yeah.
Then we can just do that. Okay, that sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
Bye guys. Thanks.
Thanks. Bye.
Awesome. No, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.